Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove and clean the filter on an LG UD501 KOG5 dehumidifier. Now this process is going to be fairly similar no matter what dehumidifier you have, but it is specific to this particular model. You're going to want to do this every about 350 hours, and there is a little indicator light on the top that's going to come on when it's time to do that. And this is important to keep the airflow appropriate and make sure that your unit is dehumidifying the air like it should be. So once that light comes on, your first steps you're going to want to do is take the filter housing off of the back, and there's a couple tabs that you're going to push in on, and it's going to release from its spot on the back. Now once you have that out, you're going to see the filter is inside of here. To clean this out, you're going to want to remove the filter from this housing as well. And there's a little tab in the middle here that allows you to grip onto it, and you're just going to kind of pull that out and kind of get your finger underneath one of the sides, and you can just kind of pry it out of there. So once you have your filter out, this is where you're going to clean everything. So you can do that either with a soft brush or with a vacuum, or if it's really, really dirty, you can use water with a natural detergent. So you don't want to use any really heavy soaps or anything like that, but just water with a light detergent, and you're going to clean that all off. Now, once you're done cleaning it, you're going to put it back into the housing. Now, this is where it gets a little tricky if you weren't paying attention when you took it out. So on the filter itself, you have these two little cutouts, and then you have that notch, like I said, that little finger hold, that you're gonna want pointing up. And then you have these two little notches, and those two notches are gonna correspond with those two tabs that you push to release it from the back. Now, what I've found to be easiest is to put the flat side then down into the three spaces at the bottom here. There's three little cutouts down there, and that's gonna slide into there. And then you're going to have to kind of pull up on the middle part again, and then you're going to slide those two parts where the notches are cut out back underneath those tabs. Once you've done that, you're simply going to line everything back up on the back of the unit and slide it all into place, and then push down until you hear both tabs click. Once you've done that, you're going to hold the filter reset button for about 3 seconds. That's going to reset the light, and you're going to be good for about another 350 hours before you see that light come on again. So it's a pretty straightforward process. You just got to pay attention when you're taking the filter out so that you line up all the notches properly. Otherwise, like I said, simple, straightforward, and it keeps your dehumidifier running properly. Thanks as always for watching, and we will see you in the next one.